In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem gift cards in the Fetch Rewards app. First, open the app and then navigate to the reward sections by clicking the rewards tab in the lower menu or going to the top of your screen and clicking your points balance. Both of these will bring you to the reward section in Fetch Rewards, and this is where you can choose to get a gift card in lots of different categories. You can scroll through all of the reward options and you can look by category like retail, restaurants, and things like that. There are lots of different options in Fetch Rewards once you have points to redeem. Your options will have a gold circle based on your points balance. So if it has a gold circle, you have enough points to redeem for that amount of a gift card. You can also search for a certain reward by going to the search field at the top of the reward section and then typing in whatever store or website you want to use. Once you've decided, I'm choosing Amazon in this example, then you'll tap through with the selected reward amount and it will bring you to a screen with the retailer that you want and the selected amount of the gift card that you want. There you will click the orange Get My Reward button at the bottom. This will trigger Fetch Rewards to send you a security code either via text or email, and you will just enter the code into the screen where it says tap to enter code after you've copied it from your text or email. Then you will click the validate button to finish, and Fetch Rewards will just go ahead and enter all of that information and create a gift card for you. When this bottom screen pops up, you can click the orange Go to My Rewards button or click on Rewards at the bottom, then My Rewards at the top of the screen to see your current rewards. The gift cards will stay here until you use them. To use them, you click on the reward and it will bring you to a screen where you can get the code for redemption. To redeem, you'll just click on the code and it will copy it in your phone. Then you close the app and you go to the website that you selected for the reward and paste it into that site. Since I chose Amazon, I'm showing you here how to go to Amazon, and then I go to manage my balance and then I paste the code and redeem my gift card. If you selected something where you don't have an account, you can just paste the code when you're ready to check out as well. You can return to the reward section in your Fetch app anytime to see all of your current rewards, and once you've used one, you can tap the Mark as Used button on the right side to make sure that it goes into past rewards and you only have current rewards in the section at the top that are available for you to use. If you haven't signed up for Fetch Rewards yet, use the code MV7RR for $2 to $4 for free and enjoy all the free gift cards.